Twinkl, and today we're going to take a look at some resources all about the weather.
This resource helps children to gain a gradual understanding of the 4 seasons and different types of weather that go with them. You could keep one in your classroom or home, so children could change the weather daily to reflect what's happening outside. This clothes sorting activity helps children to understand which types of clothes are appropriate for which weather. They can sort the pictures of different clothes by thinking which ones are appropriate for sunny weather, rainy weather, or snowy weather. They could also use the cards to sort their own clothes into these categories. These weather symbols help children to recognise different types of weather. Children could stick them to a map of the country to create their very own weather map. They could even use this to create their own weather report, which they could write or perform. Children could also use these weather symbols to fill in this weather record sheet. This sheet can help children to become more aware of different types of weather, as well as helping to improve their data collection math skills. We've got lots of great weather resources available on our website. See you next time!